Alright, I wanted to show you really quickly how to install your CallSource application and then test it on your iPad. Right now I've got iTunes open. I'm on a Mac. I'm sure it's not too different for the PC side of things if you're on a PC. But I've already downloaded the callsource.ipa file. That's the actual application. I've got it here on my desktop. I'm open to the apps section in iTunes, and I'm just dragging and dropping that program in. It's going to go ahead and move it over. You'll notice I already have my iPad connected, so what I have to do is go to the Apps tab, make sure the CallSource application is checked, go ahead and apply. You'll notice now it's going through and installing the application. Doesn't take too long. Once it's done, you can go ahead and disconnect your iPad. And then what I want to show you really quick is how you can test it and make sure that we have the proper files in the right place. So once you've unlocked it, oftentimes it installs the application, let's say on a second page. That's what it's done on this one. But go ahead and just click it. You notice we've got your interface in place. One thing that you'll need to be aware of is this light colored button down here in the corner. If you'll click that, it actually opens up a video window here in the upper right. And that's where you can actually view the videos that are associated with these links. Go ahead and click Results Leasing. You'll notice the video starts to play. If I want to see that video larger, just go ahead and open the video. When I'm done looking at it this way, I can just pinch to close it, and then I can just go through and check each one. This little icon up here looks like a little box with an arrow at the bottom. When you click that, it'll say AirPlay, and that's where we're going to eventually have you streaming this content to an Apple TV through the network. Right now you're going to have it on iPad. I have an Apple TV unit, kiosk unit, just out in the hallway, and so it's already identified, because it's on the same network as me, that that's available as well. So if I was to select that, actually that would start to stream across the Apple TV we have in our lobby. To close this window, you just go ahead and click that light button again, and that will go away. It's just hidden from your customers. If I want to test the use of the navigational button to pause things or to fast forward through some of the video, you can test that. But really, I want to make sure that the interface looks right, that we've got the videos in the right places. If so, I think we're good to go. The only big issue you're going to have, if you went through all of that and you tried to install the software on an iPad and it said that it couldn't do it, that's because we don't have the proper user ID and serial number hard-coded into the software. We have to have that. Hopefully the 2 units that you're going to have it installed on, we've got that information correctly. If not, we'll have to make an update to it. But other than that, give it a whirl. Let us know if we're okay.